and welcome to this video on how to self-publish on Amazon. Amazon has made it easy for anyone to become a self-published author and sell their books on their platform. In this video, we will go over the steps you need to take to self-publish your book on Amazon. The first step to self-publishing on Amazon is to write and edit your book. Make sure that your book is well written, edited, and polished. You may also want to consider hiring an editor or proofreader to ensure that your book is error-free. The next step is to create an Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, account. KDP is Amazon's self-publishing platform that allows you to upload your book and sell it on Amazon. To create an account, go to the KDP website and sign up for an account. Once you have created your KDP account, the next step is to upload your book. To do this, click on Create a New Title and follow the instructions to upload your manuscript. Make sure that your book meets Amazon's formatting guidelines, which you can find on the KDP website. After uploading your book, the next step is to set your book price and royalty. You can choose to price your book at any amount between 99 cents and $200. You will also need to select a royalty option. Amazon offers two royalty options, 35% and 70%. The 70% royalty option is only available if your book is priced between $2.99 and $9.99. The final step is to publish your book. Before publishing, make sure to preview your book and check for any errors or formatting issues. Once you're satisfied, click on Publish Your Kindle ebook to make your book available on Amazon. It can take up to 72 hours for your book to be available on Amazon's marketplace. Congratulations, you have now self-published your book on Amazon. Remember that the key to success is marketing your book and promoting it to potential readers. Be sure to take advantage of Amazon's promotional tools and consider running a book promotion to generate more sales. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your self-publishing journey.